So today, guys, we are at the Gilmore Car Museum and we are at the final car show of the season that they are doing. And there's going to be a movie. We're going to watch the movie Grease on a big screen. We're going to check out some cool cars just like this one and a lot more classics. There's going to be food and everything. Join me and some special guests. So stay tuned, it's going to be a fun adventure. Let's do it. This is sweet. This is a Monza GT concept car. It's a 1982 DeLorean.
Oh, you can build cars and race them.
Custom coach building. Assembly line where you can build your car. They got all the parts here where you build the car and you can race it. But here is a getting this snap photo and travel back to the future. Right here is a 1982 DeLorean. It's not the one from Back to the Future, but it's the same concept. Oh, look. They even got the skateboard. Marty's skateboard's in the back. And here's where you can race those cars when you make them. It's out of time. We gotta go back in time, Marty, 1955. That's my best doc I could do. So. And somewhere in here is Fonzie's motorcycle. Here's a 1937 covered wagon. Camper. And here we have original Tucker. I said Hudson, I meant Tucker. $1948. There's a lot of beautiful. Huh? Oh, yeah. There it is. There's Fonzie's motorcycle. Right over here. Oh, it's a Compo Camaro, 1969 Chevrolet with the original sticker price.
Brand new. Look at $4,000.
$4,000. Brand new. That's the original sticker. This $4,000 when it was new, 1969. Look at this. I didn't see this the last time I was here. That's so neat. I did not see that the last time I was here. And it looks like it's got a fish tank or the trunk. Must be the trunk. I bet you this gets great gas mileage. And right here They still have it. They don't have the American Graffiti car no more, I see. But here is Fonzie's motorcycle. If you guys want to see the full video I did on this, like I said, go check the video. I'll put the video in the link below, where I went and visited Fonzie's motorcycle and the car from American Graffiti. But that's his Triumph. It's a 1970. What? Oh, these are worth a lot. Beautiful, beautiful cars in here. There's a Charger Super B. I love this one. 1969 Super B. Daytona. You could spend a whole day in here. I'd like to have a job in here to, you know, keeping these things clean and running. There's your car, Rick. They gotta keep these things clean and running in good shape.
I like the stick in that. This is got a shifter in it.
Oh yeah.
You know for a fact this is a
1970 at Chevelle. Factory price was $3,486 back when these were brand new. They still are brand new, but they're worth a lot more than that now. These were real cars. Not what we got today with the plastic and everything. These were actual real car. Look at that old A&W sign. I love those classic old signs. Some of the early cars. This is a 1905 Brooklyn, or Franklin, I mean, not Brooklyn. A 1905 Franklin. Type A runabout. Those were your headlights. Oh, and the driver. Oh, and this is the passenger side, and then the driver's side was on with the passenger side. The steering wheel.
plated in gold.
Wow. That's expensive. Now we're going to see if the Ford dealership is open. Across the way here. Let's find out. Model A building. Yeah, it is open. And this is the Ford. Oh, it smells like a Ford dealership too. That's where the parts counter, parts and service.
Wow. Drop a penny.
Drop a penny in, and then you get the penny press. It's a penny presser machine.
You have to pay 2 quarters or whatever.
It's an old truck. Here is a really unique Ford. Look at this, the Model A Ford. I mean, look at that. Is so unique. The body on here is completely see-through. It's called the Raw Iron Roadster. And you completely see through the whole body. America's sweetheart. Legendary Model A Ford. We're gonna go and check out this Cadillac dealership. And this is what a Cadillac dealership from the 1950s would look like. Oh, I would love to have this. I would love to have that for a man cave, the back of a pink caddy. That'd be really sweet to have. This is the Cadillac crest. Oh, this was on the, this wreath and crest was adorned on top of the Cadillac Clark Avenue manufacturing building for more than 7 decades. It was installed when the plant was constructed in 1919, 1920, and removed when the building was raised in 1995. So now here we are at the actual car show that is going to be held here, and the movie Grease will be played here tonight that we will be watching. This is the very last car show of this season that Gilmore is putting on. And here you can get your eats on at this classic George and Sally's diner that they got here. And they do have some good food in there. So here we are in the pedal car museum at Gilmore, and I did not get to go in here the last time I was here. They got some, oh look at all these, there's a Coke. That's cool too. Yes! That's so cool. That'd be for my room for sure. The Michigan, autographed by Coach Carr. That is autographed by Coach Carr from Michigan. Right there. Go Blue. Oh, I want that. There's a lot of cool pedal cars in here. Earth Mover. Official pace car. Huh? Yeah, that's Walt Disney's car from the movie. It's from the movie set, yeah.
You could sleep in there.
Yeah, that's from the actual movie, The Gnome-Mobile. And that's the movie they're playing right there. This set is from there. This is an actual movie prop from the Gnome-Mobile movie set, Walt Disney, that they got here also. The authentic movie set was created and used by Walt Disney Studios of Burbank, California. Yeah, they were able to get their hands on it. Well, Gilmore was friends with Walt Disney too. So there's the actual car. There's the car from the movie. This is the actual Gnome-mobile. Walt Disney's Gnome-mobile, 1930 Rolls-Royce. And that's the actual car from the movie. But I'm loving these little pedal cars. Little race cars. There's the boats. The Gilmore, early days of the Gilmore store. John Gilmore at left, James Gilmore the fourth from right. So here's the Gilmore store that used to exist. Oh, that's so cool. There's the number 8, but I don't think that's Junior though. On this pedal car. There's a U-Haul pedal car. This is a big collection. There's a police motorcycle. Well, that's the number 7 police. Then you got this one. Look at this. Oh, I'd love to have this. Look at this, Rick. Look at that pedal car. Look at this seat. Wow.
Sweet.
That is so cool. So tonight, when we watch the movie, they're gonna have a big old blow-up screen right here. They're gonna blow up, and this is where we're gonna watch the movie Grease. Right here is where the movie's gonna be played. First time they've ever done anything like this. So it should be very cool. Cannot wait to show you guys. Can't show you the movie, but I'll show you as the screen gets blown up and then we get closer to movie time. Love that. Is that a 56 or 50? No, that's a 56 right there, that white one.
55.
A 55. That's so cool. Beautiful 55 Chevy. Decided to go with the cheeseburger here. Looks so good. Looks very good. Try this out. If I can do one-handed.
First I gotta see if I got a place.
Good but messy. That is where the movie is going to be played, guys, right there. That's where we're going to be watching the movie Grease tonight.
Yeah, exactly. Until the wind blows up.
Walk around.
Retrospective stage show, the golden age of rock and roll.
See if we can get to the front of it. Right here is the general seating area, and this is where we'll be watching from. That's an awful big screen. It is a little bit chilly, so that's why I wore a hoodie.
hoodie.
Rick's got his hoodie on. We're just waiting on our other guest to join us, hopefully in a little bit. So, but right now we're gonna go check out this bus. There's a two-story bus here that we're gonna go check out. It's a double-decker bus. There's one of the original one of the original sheds to the Gilmore. So here's the double-decker bus. I think you used to be able to get on here and go inside it, but I don't.
Maybe they'll restore it.
Yeah, I think they're probably going to restore this.
That is sweet.
This would make a cool tiny home.
Shoot, you could use the bottom to travel or put people in and the top use for a home.
Yeah. Most miles per shilling, Firestone. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna be restoring this. It definitely needs a lot of restoration. You guys can see that, but it needs a lot of restoration for sure. So Rick and I have been waiting here for about 16 hours.
No.
We were here for what, 17 hours? 17 hours. And finally, my cousin Lisa shows up 17 hours later. Fabulously late. She had to make a grand entrance.
Yeah, I did. Blasting my radio. Should I bring this now or no?
Not yet. We're gonna wait for that, but we gotta find a spot to sit.
There's like all kinds of stores, there's condos. There's a ton.
Oh, here it is.
And then you come to. Well, that's why when I bought it up to you, I thought you're.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys can see, our movie will be starting shortly over there, so I'm gonna let you guys go for now. So say goodbye to Lisa.
Hi, everybody.
And Rick.
What's up?
What's up? Oh, that's who was that? Road Trip Rick.
Yeah.
We're gonna get him to get a YouTube channel, so peace. But we're out of here, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next venture. Peace. Love you. Peace. Love you guys.